Building a Lego house is a creative and fun journey that combines imagination, engineering, and patience, transforming a simple pile of bricks into a fully realized structure. It all begins with the concept, where the builder envisions the design. Whether it's a small cozy cottage or a grand modern mansion, the first step is selecting the appropriate Lego sets and ensuring there are enough bricks in the right colors and sizes. From there, the process of building begins, starting with the foundation. In the world of Lego, the foundation is key to ensuring the stability and durability of the structure. Just like in real-life construction, as the walls begin to rise, precision is important, aligning each brick carefully to ensure everything fits together seamlessly. Building a Lego house isn't just about stacking pieces. It's about considering the details, windows, doors, and roof design, which give the house character and authenticity. The interior is equally important, as the builder can create tidy rooms, furniture, and even little accessories to bring the space to life. As the structure grows taller, the roof is a particularly rewarding step, as it provides a sense of completion and protection to the house. The beauty of Lego construction lies in the endless possibilities, allowing the builder to experiment with different styles, techniques, and color schemes. Each Lego brick, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the overall design, requiring attention to detail and sometimes even trial and error to get things just right. Throughout the process, creativity is key, whether adding unique features like gardens, garages, or miniature figures, or trying out new architectural styles to give the house a modern or historical flair. As the final pieces are added and the house begins to take shape, there's a sense of pride in the accomplishment, knowing that each brick was carefully placed to build something truly unique. Building a Lego house isn't just about the end product. It's about the experience of creating, problem-solving, and enjoying the process of watching a simple idea transform into a detailed and impressive structure. Whether you're building solo or with friends, the joy comes not only from seeing the final product, but also from the creative journey, where imagination has no limits, and every new brick adds another layer to the story you're telling with your Lego creation. The beauty of Lego houses is that they're not bound by traditional construction limitations. Every corner can be redesigned, and no two houses are ever exactly the same. As the Lego house is completed, it stands as a testament to the builder's vision and creativity, an enjoyable and rewarding project that continues to inspire, even after the last brick is in place. Whether it's a single-room shack or a multi-story masterpiece, building with Lego bricks is an exercise in both craftsmanship and creativity, offering a satisfying sense of accomplishment every step of the way.